If you're a homeowner trying to figure out roofing, siding, gutters, windows, or storm damage, you're in the right place. I'm Adam, Media Director here at Hoel Roofing and Remodeling. We know most people have a lot of questions before starting their home projects. How much should it cost? What materials should be used? How do you know if a contractor is doing things the right way for your home? And honestly, it can be hard to find straightforward answers online. That's why we created this channel. Here, we answer real questions homeowners ask every day, from roof replacements and repairs to ventilation, siding, gutters, windows, and everything else to do with your home. Our goal is simple: to help you make the best decision for your home with honest, no pressure information. That means we'll talk about pricing, problems, comparisons, what to expect during projects, and even situations where we might not be the right fit for you. So, if you want clear answers, practical advice, and real education from experienced professionals, make sure to subscribe and check out our videos. We are here to help you protect your home and make confident decisions every step of the way.